Yo, it's your boy Professor P. Went back, look over my charts, analyze what we saw last night, what opportunities we had based off the weekend review, how we had a chance to get into the market, and then how we had chances to possibly take a few of the setups that I outlined on Sunday and Saturday. Starting off with UJ. We did catch these shorts from 109.905. First TP or only TP was hit. Uh, this price action opened up back in over here. And now that some of this price action has played out, I can start to delete some of this. And then after I make this video, I'll just rechart all together. But the head and shoulders that we thought we saw has not played out. So definitely delete all that. Oh, go back. And then that way we can kind of clear up the chart a little bit and then just kind of see what's going on. Did not take these buys. Price action did not set up to take a buy. So even though that was there, I did take these shorts, but not these buys. So definitely can delete that. This price range has been filled and played out. So definitely can delete that one. We did notice from the weekend that the price came down, did liquidity grab at its demand zone. We already see that and understand that information. It didn't make a new high. That's what prepped us to look for shorts because this move did not break this high over here. We have closed below the market pushing up. So that is now invalid. And let's see what else. We broke out of consolidation again. So we pretty much gonna leave that there until we pull it from. There's only a little bit more, but what I saw, looking at this over the weekend, was that what I thought once the market opened up, weekly open was here. Price action came out bullish. Like I said, we still have not did not break the high or the last high, previous high from last week. And it looks like a price action of the market shift, outlined by this dotted line here in the background. It gave out your Asian high, came down below the level I was looking at, retested and just broke out. Here, 24 pips on that one. And I don't trade to New York, so the rest of that is just running. I won't come back into the market until the Asian session opens. So my usual plan strategy setup is Asian to the London and then whatever else. If it's trending, let it trend. If not, then we miss it. So hopping over to the PXY. I had pretty much the same idea, but got stopped out. This one, I would assume that I possibly entered too early. I saw it close above my zone and then push back into my zone. And we did break the low of the last bullish candle. So I was looking to get in, but we spent back around and stopped me out. And now it looks like it's coming back down. So grab this liquidity from down here. And it might even keep going because the next structure is not even all the way down here. So yeah, just keep an eye on the DXY for that. And but either way, DXY, GJ, I did catch a short on GJ. Was looking for this zone right here to get filled. Obviously was outlined by the that we outlined on the outlook. Caught 20 pips here, got out once. I was looking at the 5 minute and I saw what made me want to get out. We got back over here. We came down close below my zone. I entered a little bit late. The entry should have been somewhere back up in there. But once I seen it come down to produce this candle, and then this very next small candle, I was out immediately. I did not hold. I didn't wait for a bullish print. I didn't wait for nothing. Saw this, and I closed the trade. Even though I knew potentially it could come down and continue and smash TP and all that good stuff. Here recently, when I've been trading, what I've been noticing is my trades that go in the profit, I'll put my stops in the profit and I get stopped out. So I said, okay, well, let's just avoid that trailer stop and just go ahead and close. And then, if it gives me a proper setup, which it did, Asian high, Asian low, broke, retest, and it dropped again. I actually missed this move, but I caught this one right here in the London. This original TP was all the way down here. And obviously we got close to being met, but so once it came down, it did push back up without reaching TP1. And looking at this from a higher time frame, especially on GJ, I know we desperate for a pullback. So as soon as I seen this push up, come back down to the bottom, got out, small profit. I was not willing to let that keep running. It didn't hit trail stops. It didn't hit nothing. I closed. Let me put that in. Oh, okay, still 19 plus. I didn't know. I didn't know we caught that many. Oh, maybe I closed over here then. I don't remember 19 pips on GJ. But yeah, I didn't. I closed that one out. But as you can see, it played out. TP1, TP2, everything is hit. We were now at that bearish continuation zone. So, what made me close early was if you go and you move out to your higher time frames, there's not a really significant pullback, and even on the 4H, it's just straight drop. So looking at this and having experience in the market, when you got them straight drops like that, you need some type of retracement. You go down to the 1 hour. I mean, you can see these slight pullbacks, but that's not significant enough for all this momentum prices dumped to the downside. So when I saw that on my smaller trade, I closed in profit because I was not sure if we was getting ready to get that retracement, especially walking into or just coming into the London. GU, I don't think I executed anything on GU last night. Just because I saw that the range was a little bit smaller on GU than it was on GJ. So I chose to go with GJ and UJ and UCAD and some of the other ones on here. But for the most part, we ended up playing out how we thought we would. Sales below 37,261 and continuation to the downside. Untested demand pushed right through that zone, so we definitely can get rid of that one. This is the next one down here, so that's why we have the TP1 short from there all the way down. So, like I said, I don't trade to New York, so I just let all that price action play out, and I just come in and I mark up and I adjust accordingly. But there we go. AU. I don't know why the market be playing with me, man. This is another thing I got to get better on. But what I saw was the drop, same thing as here. I was looking for a retracement trade right here. So this was with dynamic risks, this was not normal risks, just because I know price action is bearish and I know we should only be looking for sales. But I also know that a retracement is needed, and exhaustion is needed because the market just can't keep pushing bearish, 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 bearish. That's not how the market cycles, that's not how it works. So what I was looking for was a retracement trade on this AU. I'm looking for this retracement trade, 30-minute come down to the smaller time frame. What I saw was price action pulled down, gave you that low. It pulled up, not really breaking anything majorly looking left. But what I did see was this candle come back down and did not break this low. So I got in. And then, or maybe I got in back in over here or something when this bullish candle opened up. I don't know. This was all last night. I can't remember. But I know I was in. So it had to be somewhere from over there. I think what I saw was this price action here, we broke above. And as soon as I saw this first bearish prep, and then I got in immediately as that candle closed and had stops below this Asian low. But as you can see, price started out in that zone and then pulled back, coming exactly to the target I was looking for, where Asian session price action broke out from. And that's all I would have been looking for that trade. So not too upset or worried about this type of trade because I know what I was looking for and it happened. I just stopped. It's too tight. I was in too early. So that was the only thing I took on AU. Yeah, JPY. I did catch a quick short on that one. Price action came down. I had this bearish continuation zone. saw this bullish print and I got out. I did not continue to hold that trade, even though it did keep dropping and keep falling. Disrespecting that channel or, breaking the channel, coming back, possibly call out a retest. But what I was looking for was this wick fill here. But like I said, I was already in GJ, I was in UJ, I was in UCAD, I was in profit. So I wasn't looking for no continuations or no holds. I just, give me the bread and I'm out. Stick them up. Last but not least, this one kind of hurt my feelings a little bit because I thought we had the gas, but we had that agent high, starting to see that bearish print, and I got in, but little did I know quickly, full stops hit entry too early or price action just gonna continue bullish and it continue bullish. So definitely I'm gonna keep my eye on this UCAD, come back and remark them up, re-identify zones and definitely see what price action wants to go because I kind of like the way UCAD move. I don't like this price action right here because a lot of times what you will see is you'll see this little staggering price action like this, and then you'll see the market drop and take everybody who's buying in that little zone out and then push up. So that's basically what I kind of was basing that trade off of last night, just experience, seeing price stall out here. And I think that's what I took a short from. Yeah, took a short from there. And yeah, it didn't hit TP1, didn't hit nothing but stop loss. So those are where we at so far for the week. I appreciate you for watching. Welcome to the U.